If you're seeing the Beehiiv 464 error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes you can try right now. This is a common issue that can happen for a few different reasons, and the good news is that in many cases, you can resolve it without getting stuck for long. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solution first. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. First, one of the most effective fixes is to use a different email provider. If you're currently trying to sign up or log in with an email service that isn't playing nicely with Beehiiv, switch to a mainstream provider like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or even a custom business domain. Sometimes the error is tied to the email source itself, so testing with a more widely supported provider can instantly solve the problem. If you already have another email address, try using that and see if the error disappears. Next, if the issue is still happening, clear your browser cache. Old cached files and stored data can sometimes interfere with websites and cause strange errors during loading or login. If you're using Google Chrome on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. That will open the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, choose the time range you want to clear, make sure cached images and files are selected, and then clear the data. Once that's done, reload Beehiiv and try again. This quick reset often fixes errors that are being caused by outdated browser data. If you'd rather not clear anything just yet, you can also try Incognito mode or private browsing. Open a new Incognito window in Chrome or a private browsing window in your browser of choice, then go back to Beehiiv and repeat the action that was causing the error. Incognito mode starts with a clean session, which means no old cookies, no cached data, and no extensions interfering the same way they might in a normal browser window. That makes it a great way to test whether the issue is browser related. If Beehiiv works in Incognito, then the problem is likely something in your regular browser session, such as cache, cookies, or an extension. In that case, you can continue using Incognito temporarily or go back and clear your browsing data more thoroughly. So to recap, if you get the Beehiiv 464 error, first try a different email provider, then clear your browser cache, and if needed, test the site in Incognito mode. These are the fastest fixes and they solve the issue for many users. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.